Have you ever wondered how Starlink, the satellite internet service by SpaceX, manages to connect the world? We're diving deep into the technology behind it. Starlink is revolutionary, promising high-speed internet access globally, especially in areas where traditional internet infrastructure is non-existent or unreliable. At its core, Starlink is a massive satellite internet constellation. Unlike older, single satellite systems, this constellation uses thousands of small satellites working together. The primary goal of Starlink is to provide global coverage, delivering high-speed, broadband internet with critically low latency, which is essential for modern applications like video conferencing and gaming. The Starlink network relies on three main components working in synchronization to deliver internet service. The first component is the network of satellites themselves, positioned in low Earth orbit, or LEO, much closer to Earth than traditional geostationary satellites. The second and third components are the ground stations, often called gateways, which connect the satellites to the existing internet infrastructure and the user terminals or dishes at your home or business. Let's look at why the placement of these satellites is so crucial to Starlink's performance. LEO orbits are significantly closer to Earth, meaning the distance signals must travel is much shorter. This reduced distance is key to achieving the promised low latency or minimal delay in data transmission. The Starlink constellation is massive, aiming for thousands of satellites. This high density ensures that multiple satellites are always visible to any user terminal at any time, guaranteeing continuous service. So how does your internet request actually travel through this sophisticated network? When you send a request, your user terminal transmits a signal up to the nearest Starlink satellite currently passing overhead. A major innovation is the use of laser links between the satellites, creating a space-based mesh network. This allows data to hop between satellites at the speed of light in a vacuum, often faster than ground fiber optics, before needing to touch down at a ground station. Once the data reaches a satellite near a ground station, it is transmitted down to the gateway, which then connects the data to the rest of the global internet. Your hardware, the Starlink dish, is more advanced than a typical satellite dish. The dish uses a phased array antenna. Instead of physically moving to track a satellite, it electronically steers the radio beam to communicate with multiple satellites as they pass, ensuring a seamless connection handover. Installation is simple because the dish automatically aligns itself to track the visible satellites and maintain connectivity without any manual adjustment required from the user. Starlink promises significant improvements over older satellite internet, but it's not without its challenges. The LEO architecture allows Starlink to offer significantly higher speeds and far lower latency than traditional geostationary satellite internet, making it suitable for modern, latency-sensitive applications. However, challenges include ensuring a clear line of sight, as trees or buildings can block the signal. Extreme weather can also affect performance, and the sheer management of thousands of satellites presents an ongoing operational challenge. Starlink continues to expand its constellation and services, marking a major step toward ubiquitous, high-speed global connectivity. It truly is changing the game for internet access.